Move back. Move back.
We just saw a yellow eyelash viper, which is really cool. This is one of the, I believe, 7 species of venomous snakes that are living here in La Selva. So this is a really cool find after we saw the fer-de-lance the other 2 nights.
Yesterday when we were walking around and I was in the jungle, all I could think about was, okay, every time I turn my head, there's going to be a snake there, and it didn't happen. I was like, okay, maybe I'm in the clear, and today that's exactly what happened.
We're walking along the trail, studying dart frogs, and one of the snakes that you're always mindful of in the rainforest is the eyelash viper. It often is shoulder high or above, often rests on palm fronds and other types of vegetation. Some are green and match the leaves almost perfectly, and some are yellow. You might think yellow would not be an obvious camouflage color, but there's a lot of yellow fruit, a lot of yellow flowers in the rainforest, and so yellow is a great color to be as well. It's hunting, it's waiting for a small bird or a small frog to come nearby, but it's a little dangerous because it's absolutely at head level, neck level, just half a meter from the trail or so.